I just picked up these pruners from Fiskars, and they've really made quick work of any of the gardening or trimming that we need to do around my house. I don't have a lot of property, but I've got crepe myrtles and I've got trees that are starting to hang over a bit, and this has really been fantastic. Also, bushes in my landscaping. These stay super sharp, but what I really like about them is they're spring-loaded, so they pop back. The ergonomics are great. The way it fits in your palm, you're not going to end up with sore hands or blisters throughout the day. And it's also got a locking mechanism so that I know that I'm safe. I can just slip these into my back pocket so that I don't lose them, because Lord knows I lose every tool that I have. But then I just pull it down and now I've got them ready. And again, that spring-loaded feature just opens them back up, so I'm ready for the next clip. And I found that these will really cut through anything that I've thrown at them. Certainly, branches that are as big around as your thumb cuts through with ease. So these are a great option when you're doing any gardening in the fall, in the spring, middle of summer. These are fantastic to have. Super lightweight as well. So check them out.